Hello, welcome in daily newspaper editorials audio program. Now headline. This time for Africa, the Hindu. Now headlines in detail. This time for Africa, the Hindu. India must take forward its commitment of Africa, the global south. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Nigeria and his ongoing tours to Brazil for the G20 and Guyana are important not only for ties with each of these countries but also significant as a statement on India's commitment on the global south. In the Ambuja visit, the first after the then Prime Minister Manmohan Singh's 2007 visit where the two countries declared a strategic partnership, Mr. Modi and Nigerian Prime Minister Bola Ahmed Tinubu reaffirmed ties in areas including defense, cooperation. Mr. Modi identified terrorism, separatism, piracy, and drug trafficking a challenge for the two countries to work together on receiving Nigeria's the Grand Commander of the Order of the Nigers, the Mr. Modi, the second foreign dignitary to receive the distinction, dedicated the award to the people of India and to the long-standing historical friendship between India and Nigeria. India was among the countries that sent teachers and doctors to Nigeria after its independence from Britain in 1960. The Indian community is over 60,000 strong, India's largest diaspora in West Africa and a bridge builder. The two countries have strong economic ties in a region where India has often been faulted for not doing more. About 200 Indian companies have invested about 27 billion in pharma, healthcare, agriculture and energy, where both countries share low-cost technologies and experience as they tackle similar ironic issues of poverty, pollution and population density. Nigeria is among the top American economies in GDP. It is now a BRICS partner country. The conversation will continue as both leaders traveled to Rio de Janeiro for the G20 in Brazil and where the African Union was inducted as a G20 member in 2023. While India's valuable commitment to the global south and South-South cooperation has been appreciated, particularly in Africa, it also has been seen as short on follow-through at times. This leadership of the third iteration of Voice of the Global South (BOGS) conference this year has seen lackluster participation. India's plans to use the platform to lead into the G20 process may find more engagement if it allowed the G20 host each year to take over the hosting of the BOGS summit. The Indian Africa Forum summit last held in 2015 is also overdue and it is hoped that New Delhi moves as the foreign secretary promised at a verifying on Mr. Modi's visit to hold it early next year. As Indian source of ties across the southern hemisphere and builds common cause with countries that are important when it's come to the debate over global governance, food, energy, and health security. It must be seen to match its ideals with nimble footwork and a decided presence across the developing world, as is evidenced by the Prime Minister travels this week. Thank you.